My role at Videka here is a product development technologist, and so I work with Videka's pet food ingredients and antioxidants and antimicrobials. So we sell into the pet food industry to help protect and preserve pet food. So I'm on the product development side, where I work with our co-manufacturers, our raw material ingredients, product formulation, a little bit of customer project work, a lot of cross-collaboration between the scientific side and the commercial side as a product developer. And the students here today are hopefully getting some experience on the technical side, looking at some of the antioxidant, antimicrobial laboratory work, as well as learning about the pet food industry as a whole, as a career option, something that's not always advertised, I think, in universities and schools. I hope the students here with this job shadow experience with Videka, I hope that they see that there are a lot of options to get into this kind of field. Myself and a lot of my coworkers, we all come from very different backgrounds. I'm a chemist, we have a biologist, we have an animal scientific major, and it doesn't really matter kind of where you came from, but it's a matter of what's your thinking, what's your thought process, how do you approach a solution. You're not always going to be working with someone who has the same scientific background as you, so being able to communicate that efficiently between a technical and a layperson. I would describe the participation of the students, Six and Cyrus, today here at Videka as very enthusiastic. They're, I think, nervous about the future, but they're definitely proactive in figuring out what they want to look at. You know, they're asking questions. They've been very good about following along. I know we threw a lot of technical information as far as antioxidants and antimicrobials at them that they may not have known about, but they've taken it all in very good stride, and I think they're very excited to see what kind of future is out there for them.
So for me, the most interesting or surprising thing that I learned today was just kind of the general microbiology stuff, where we got to do the little demo with the plates and get to see what the bacteria actually looked like. I didn't expect to actually get to see something like that today, or hands-on get to do anything.
The fact that I actually understood what was going on in like the chemistry thing, because I've only taken like organic chemistry 1, and like I actually knew what he was talking about, and the machines are actually like some of the machines that we have in school.
So the job shadows helped my future job understanding, because I had no real idea what a job in biology would look like besides what's on TV, and that's not accurate. That doesn't really tell you anything. So it was nice to get to see what a day in their life looks like and what a few different jobs look like in this field, and get to see a lab that wasn't just a school lab.
I would definitely recommend this, because I know when I was signing up, they had so many different options, and I feel really lucky to have had this specific experience, but I bet that the rest of the job shadowing opportunities were just as meaningful and immersive as this one.